Hi guys, I am Fritz. I'm your Chief Joy Officer for today. And now I'm here with Chef Robert, our chef de partie at Talparles, Palawan. And also with Chef Nika, one of our chef pastries here in the resort. So today we're going to make a...
Vegan mango cheesecake with caramel sauce.
So Chef Nika, so when you say vegan, so what is included in their diet?
When we say vegan, usually vegetarians are strictly with plants and fruits. And then there are actually three kinds of vegetarian. First is the ovo vegetarian, which is eggs are included in their diet. Then lacto-ovo vegetarian, which are dairies and eggs are included in their diet. And vegetarian, which is fruits and vegetables are strictly.
So is this dessert suitable for all kinds of vegetarians?
Yes, the ingredients is cashew nuts and almond roll and coconut oil, honey, raisin, desiccated coconut, maple syrup, and coconut milk, muscovado sugar.
Just a little trivia for you guys. If Baguio is known for their strawberries and Guimaras is known for their sweet mangoes, Palawan is known for their very popular cashew nuts.
Yes, we have delicious cashew nuts in Palawan.
So Chef Robert, what is our first step in making this dessert?
Yes, we have almond. We put the blender. 1/2 teaspoon oil. And then honey. And the raisin and dates. Desiccated coconut. Yes.
Go. Since the usual cheesecake uses graham, butter, and sugar, for this vegan cheesecake, they use nuts, dates, which adds sweetness to the crust of the cheesecake. Since the regular cheesecake has sugar, this one replaces the sugar, and the coconut oil solidifies the whole crust of the cheesecake so that it will be set instead using of butter, since butter is a animal fat.
Animal
Yeah.
fat.
Okay.
For the base of vegan cheesecake.
Yes, so we're doing the first step. So this is the base of the vegan cheesecake that Chef
Yeah.
Robert is going to do.
Yes. Very smooth. And put this,
So
this.
so after that, Chef, we're going to put it in the chiller, right?
Yeah, 2 hours, 4 hours.
Yes, 4 hours. So we're going to put the base in the chiller for 4 hours.
So next thing we're going to do is the cheesecake base.
Yes, yes. Start beginning cashew nuts.
So Chef Robert, I've noticed the cashew nuts were soaked in the water
Yeah.
before it was prepared. So how many minutes or days should be soaked in the water?
1 day before start to base.
So it's 1 day before making the
Cheesecake.
cheesecake.
We soak the cashew nuts overnight so that we will achieve this smooth consistency just like any other cheesecake. And then we also put maple syrup and of course coconut oil in order to
Honey.
solidify the cheesecake base.
Look for the texture of cashew nuts made in the Palawan.
It is almost the same, but the ingredients is very different from the usual cheesecake that Chef Robert, can I taste some?
Yeah. You taste.
Wow, it's very similar to the cheesecake that we eat, but the texture is very smooth, so you can taste the honey, the cashew nuts, especially the cashew nuts, because it is very rich in flavor and yeah, very delicious.
So you put the base.
So chef, are we going to put in the freezer? So how many hours are we going to take?
5 hours or 4 hours.
So it's 4 to 5 hours. Yes. So guys, we're here. So for the last part is the caramel sauce. So Chef Robert will be teaching us how to do it.
Yes.
The ingredients are sugar muscovado, coconut milk, salt. So chef is going to dissolve the
Start the beginning. First is the muscovado sugar.
Now Chef Robert is caramelizing the muscovado
Muscovado sugar.
So we'll just wait until it's very clear as crystal.
Coconut. So,
Now we're just achieving for that caramel texture. So Chef Robert will just mix it until we get there. So Chef Robert is achieving this caramel texture, which is, it must be thick and smooth.
yes. We are going to make the design. Init-init.
So guys, this is our finished product. So this is the vegan mango cheesecake with caramel sauce. So it is very easy to do. You can do it in your home. So the
Yes.
ingredients are very affordable and you can find it in any marketplace. So now we shall taste test. That's very delicious. So I would like to thank you, Chef Robert and Chef Nika. So until next time, guys.
See you
Bye.
soon, guys.